Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Subway Surfers on your laptop. Emulators are fantastic tools that allow you to run mobile applications directly on your computer. We will be using BlueStacks, a very popular and dependable Android emulator. It provides a seamless and enjoyable experience, making your favorite mobile games, like Subway Surfers, easily accessible on a larger screen. First, you will need to install an Android emulator. Head over to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer file. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. The installation process is quite quick, typically completing in about 5 minutes, getting you ready for gaming in no time. With BlueStacks installed, open it up and find the Google Play Store icon. Just like on your phone, search for Subway Surfers and click to install it. Once installed, launch the game. You can use your keyboard's arrow keys for movement and your mouse to swipe left, right, up, and down, just as you would on a touchscreen. To enhance your gaming experience, consider adjusting BlueStacks settings for optimal performance. You can also customize the keyboard controls to suit your personal preference, making gameplay even more comfortable. Playing on your laptop offers a much larger screen and often improved visual details, providing a truly immersive way to enjoy Subway Surfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.